Hey guys, good day. I'm at my parents' house. My dad's garden is up there. You can see his old setup here. I think I saw a hole in here somewhere. Right there. I have a gift for my dad today. This is a big thank you to ZJPHANER. Thank you very much. I love the color. That looks very cool. There's different colors if you guys want to check out their link in the description or comments. He had one previous. I just want to show you the before. He had one like this, and this is like a crank. And you know, that just takes time to crank it up and stuff. You have to do it manually. And the thing I really wanted to get this, the main reason was, which I'll show you later after we get it installed, you can pull this out, I'll show you later, and then retracts back in. So very cool. This is 100 feet. And we already started.
Yeah, we're getting ready to.
Yep, we're getting ready to install
it. It looks like very simple installation.
Very, very easy so far.
Yeah.
This is kind of the handle where it hooks this. This just comes up, and then it comes right back down, right into here. And we just got the holes getting ready to go. We just marked them. So we're gonna pre-drill it, and then everything comes in the box what you need. Here's the screws that they sent, and then except the tools. We gotta have their own tools, but then everything else is included. All right, ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, here we go.
Test, make sure you make the hole too big. Yeah, that'll be good.
All right, perfect.
Okay, hole number one. This can go this way or this way, so easy.
That's good. Yeah, anybody can do this pretty much. All right, so this is very easy to install. And then for the winter, if you're from a climate that it gets cold in the winter, this is easily to take away, to put in storage to keep it warm. You can see this comes off very easily. Now this goes in there. All right, just like that. And look how it swivels. That's very cool. So now the next step is just to connect the hose, and then we'll water the garden. And this automatically does retract, and it also has a stopper, and you can move this as well. So if you want to move it back further, you can. But we're going to go turn this on, take it over to the garden, and test it out. So this moves back and forth very easily. Nice. So it's a perfect length. And we have lots of different options. Jet, angled, cone.
Mr.
Mr. Soaker. And then shower, I think, is the one in flat. Shower, I think, is the one that usually is used for like the garden. What is that one? Shower?
Shower.
Yeah, that one's pretty good. That's like mimics the rain pretty good.
Angle.
Nice.
I like that one.
All right, use whatever one you like.
Yeah. You're not supposed to water your garden in that heat.
So this is just an example. That's probably the worst time to water your garden. But the jet, those are good for washing your car too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And there's a fire pit nearby, so it's always nice to have something near for that. But it'll pretty much be this whole area back here. Easy to wash the cars, to water the plants around the house. All right, so when you're done with the hose, all you gotta do is lift this nozzle up to turn it off.
It's off.
There you go.
Very good.
So now let's go show the best feature, I think, is automatically retracting.
Yeah.
So this is the coolest feature, I think. You just give it a little tug, and you can do this from wherever you want. I'm just gonna do it right here. You just tug it, and it comes right back in. That's cool. And here it comes. And there's the stopper right there.
There you go.
Boom. So what do you think so
Man.
far? First
Great.
try?
Oh man.
Pretty
Perfect.
good.
Yeah.
It was quicker than I thought. Like to
Yeah.
set it up. To set it up is
yeah.
really easy.
Yeah. It's like a 10 or 15 minute job at the
Mhm.
most. You know.
Yeah, very simple and very useful. Now you don't have to worry about, you know, all this when you're mowing the lawn.
Right.
This
yeah.
will be in the lawn.
Before this, I had to drag it all back in, put it here, take it back out. And now it's,
Easy cleanup. It's back there kind of hidden and also looks
easy.
cool.
Don't have to crank it.
Yeah, cranking was probably really hard.
Yeah.
How long did that take you to get it back to the base?
Long time.
Yeah. So this is very easy, guys. So if you guys want more information about this product, I'll leave the link in the comments and description. So thank you very much for this hose. One happy customer.
Yes, really good. Thank you.